When the Earth was burning, the last days of the dinosaurs. Opening hook, the world before the end. The sky is not blue. It hasn't been for days. A dim copper light bleeds through thick clouds of ash, turning midday into something closer to dusk. The ground is warm beneath every step, not from the sun, but from the earth itself. Forests crackle without flames. Oceans hiss as rain falls hotter than boiling water. And across the land, creatures that once ruled this planet lift their heads, not in fear, but in confusion. Something is wrong with the world. Not suddenly, not all at once, but slowly, relentlessly, the planet is becoming unlivable. This is not the moment the dinosaurs died. This is the long, burning descent toward extinction. Chapter 1. A planet that wouldn't cool. 66 million years ago, Earth was already changing. Long before the famous asteroid, the planet was restless. Deep beneath what is now India, the crust cracked open, and it did not heal. For hundreds of thousands of years, lava poured out in relentless waves. Not explosive, not dramatic, just endless. These eruptions, known today as the Deccan Traps, covered entire regions with molten rock, layer upon layer, thicker than skyscrapers. Each eruption released invisible killers into the sky: carbon dioxide, sulfur gases, heat-trapping chemicals that rewrote the climate. The world began to warm, not gently, but unevenly. Winters weakened, oceans absorbed heat and acid, rain patterns collapsed. Life had survived climate change before, but never at this scale, and never this fast. And dinosaurs, massive, specialized, energy-hungry, were trapped inside a system they couldn't escape. Scientists still debate how much damage this slow burning did, but the fossil record whispers a warning. Many species were already struggling before the sky ever fell. Chapter 2. Survival in a fevered world. As temperatures rose, dinosaurs adapted, or tried to. Some grew smaller. Others migrated toward the poles, chasing cooler air and stable seasons. Feathers became more common, not just for flight, but for insulation and temperature control. Lungs grew more efficient, pulling oxygen from thinning, unstable air. Even plants began to change. Ferns spread rapidly, thriving in disturbed, toxic soil. Forests became patchy, fragile. Food chains shortened, and predators that once dominated entire continents now had to travel farther, hunt longer, expend more energy for less reward. This raises a deeper question. How close was this world already to collapse? Because ecosystems don't break all at once. They fray, thread by thread, and Earth was unraveling. Chapter 3. The day the sky ignited. Then, without warning, the sky itself became a weapon. An asteroid, larger than Mount Everest, entered Earth's atmosphere at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. There was no sound, no warning, just a sudden second sun. When it struck, the energy released rivaled billions of nuclear weapons. Rock vaporized instantly. The crust rebounded like liquid. But the true destruction came after. Molten debris was hurled into space, then rained back down across the planet. Every fragment re-entered the atmosphere as a